my trading took on this consistency like never before. Because I finally had a system, I finally had a formula to follow, a blueprint that never changes. It's the same 8 steps every single time. It doesn't matter what's going on. It doesn't matter if it's raining outside, storming outside. It doesn't matter if the market's up or down. It doesn't matter if it's Monday or Friday or Wednesday. It doesn't matter if you're trading stocks or bonds or options. It's the same 8 steps, the same 8 steps. And I'm telling you, if you can make sure you follow every trade you take, you make sure that you are following these 8 steps in order, you're going to bring a consistency and a quality to your trades that you've never seen before. State, position, power, entry, stop, color change, which we just talked about, profit take, let it ride. Power bar entry, stop, color change, add, profit take. If you don't take all of your profits, all two, you got 2 and 1. If you don't take all of it, let's say you take 2 and you leave 1 in, you want to move to break even. That's your next step. I move to break even. I remove all risk out of the market and I let this thing ride. And boy, does it ride. So the final step, guys, is break even stop. So listen, entry to stop. That's my original stop. I add 1. I profit take 2. So I'm taking 2 out. I'm leaving 1 in. If that's the one you want to leave in, that's fine. If you're saying that, I'm moving my stop to break even, which means I can't lose money, and I'm going to let it ride. So think about the steps. Remember the steps? State. Here's my state, narrow state. Position. I'm in position 1, right above the narrow state. All right, so state is narrow. Position is number 1. Okay? I'm looking for power. Here I have elephant bar power. Then I'm looking for entry. I'm entering in the bar. That's called anticipation. And then this is what I teach you guys. I teach you how to state is narrow. Position is 1. Okay? Power is elephant, not tail in this case, or 180. It's elephant in this case. Entry, and when you're buying in the bar, that's anticipation. If you're buying above the bar, that's confirmation. All right. So entry, stop. Okay. I'm going under the bar, under bar, color change, add, check. Got color change, add. Now there's 2 types. There's hidden and actual. So this is actual color change. Boom. Profit take. Then you go, if you don't sell it all, you go to break even and then let it ride. These specific steps are the first part of trading systematically. And they're to be followed the same way every time. State is narrow. Position is 1, number 1. Okay? Right. State is narrow. Position is number 1. Now I'm waiting for power. Do I get power bar elephant, power tail bar, power elephant bar, or do I get a power color change? All right. So in this case, I get a power elephant. Boom. Enter anticipation, not above, but in if I can. Stop. Color change add. Profit take on 2. Move original stop to break even on the rest. Break even. Let the rest ride. And guys, that is the formula. What's my state? Where is the stock opening in the state? What position? Is it position 1 above or position 2? Or is it opening below the narrow state? Position 1 below or position 2? Do I get power elephant, power tail, power color change to get in initially? Power entry, stop, color change add, profit take. If you don't take it all, profit take on part, raise stop to break even, let the rest ride. Look, here's your state. I think this was Friday, I'm not sure. Maybe not, but power bar, what position is that? That's 1, that's right above the narrow state. That's power bar entry. So let's do it. Power bar entry, stop, color change add, profit take. I'm going to take 2 off. I'm going to move my stop to break even. You can go here if that's the one you want to do. That's fine. And let the rest ride. Okay? That's your formula. Look at Tesla again. Look, here's my state. Power bar entry, stop, color change add, profit take. Let's make this cleaner. Power bar add, stop, color change, profit take. I'm only taking part. Move stop to break even. Remember, you can do another color change near the 20 if you like. Boom. Profit take. You're just letting the rest ride. Powerful. The same steps, the same blueprint, the same formula every time. Power bar at. Here's your state. Here's your position. Power bar entry. Stop. Color change add. Profit take on 2. Move stop to break even. Let the rest ride. All right. We've done this before. Power bar entry. We have the state here. Stop. Color change add. Profit take on 2. Bring stop to break even. Let the rest ride. Power entry, stop, color change add, profit take, break even, let the rest ride. Do it one more time. You got the state, it's narrow. You got the position right, it's number 1. Power bar entry, stop, color change add, profit take, break even, let the rest ride. One more time. State is narrow. Position is 1. Power bar elephant, entry, stop, color change add, profit take, break even, let the rest ride. Every single time. Let's do one to the downside. Narrow state, narrow state, position 1. Power bar down, entry, stop, color change add, profit take, break even, let the rest ride. One last time. Narrow state, position 1. Power bar entry, power bar entry, color change add, power bar entry stop, color change add. All right. Profit take, break even stop, let the rest ride. That formula, guys, is extraordinarily powerful. Apple, power bar entry, right in position one. Boom, stop, color change, profit take. Now, in reality, I would have maybe taken profits sooner. Entry, stop, profit take. You understand? Profit take. So I don't get a color change here. I take one off. Move stop to break even on the remaining. Let the rest ride. Powerful. Can you take this color change? Well, yes, because this is position one and that's position two, but you don't want to do it up here. That's position three. Guys, if you can follow these 8 things, state, position one, wait for power, power bar, entry, protection, color change add because it's not in 3 yet, profit take, move to break even, let the rest ride. Same formula over and over and over again. Guys, you can't get consistency doing things inconsistently. Every trade must be the identical trade every single time. That's how you become a freaking trading robot. Do you understand? You can't have all of these different, you can't be like guys like, okay, Tesla, I'm going to handle this way. And Google, I'm going to handle this way. And Amazon, I'm going to handle that way. And this, that. That's stupid. You can't approach your trading inconsistently. It's almost as if you have to fit every trade through these hoops, these 8 hoops. And really, your attitude is you either get through all 8 steps or you get fired. That's the attitude of a master trader. You take a trade, you're like, okay, you gave me a narrow state. This is your attitude as a master trader. All right, good. You're giving me a narrow state. Nice. Nice. You're giving me a power bar in position one. Good. Now, I'm going to play you. You get through all of these 8 steps. You get all the way to the end, or you get fired. You get eliminated. Now go. Boom. Enter, stop, power entry, stop, color change add, profit take, raise stop to break even, let the rest ride. It's powerful when you have that formula and you apply it to every single trade without fail. It's not that I don't want you falling in the trap of, well, but Oliver, every trade's different. No, you're going to make every trade the same. That's where your consistency is going to come from. That's where your money's going to come from. You're going to demand that every single stock you play, every single financial item you play must play by your rules, your steps, your guideline. It's your blueprint. It's not the stock's blueprint. It's not the market's decision. I set the rules. The market doesn't have order. I bring the order to it. These 8 steps are the order that you must follow. Tesla, you have to follow my order. Amazon, you have to follow my order. Google, you have to follow my order. Starbucks, my order, my 8 steps. And if you don't, you get eliminated.